Jewelry brand owners, are you struggling to get more customers because you don't know which products people actually want to buy? I've been able to 2x, 3x the sales of jewelry brands in a matter of weeks just by knowing which products people actually want to buy. So in this video, I will show you step by step my system of actually market testing the offer. So I do this with a system called the offer test. Very simple. But what I do is I take a bunch of photos, or we take a bunch of photos of the items. So step number one is taking a bunch of photos. Step number two is actually running them on Facebook ads. We want to do this with a budget of around $25. We don't want to put a lot of money into this. Don't put a lot of money into this. You just need to test what works, and then that's what we will use to actually sell. Step number three is actually the offers, the actual headlines. So one thing we want to do is we want to have a very templatized offer for our items. If the thing that got people to actually like this one ad, this two ads, instead of all the rest of the ads is the offer. So we want to have basically the same offer for all of these ads, just different pictures with the different items. That's it, but the same offer. So what do I mean by this? So for example, this templatized offer has two parts, one product and two desired outcome. So this is basically how that looks. If you're selling a bracelet, that would look like the bracelet product that makes every outfit look more expensive. Desired outcome. Another one, the necklace product that gets you compliments every time you wear it. So that's the desired outcome. The earrings product, remember these two are products, these three are products that make any outfit look instantly more elegant. Now, this is just a template that I chose for the video. This is also a template that I use to test offers, but you can have your own template of offers. If you have a templatized offer, then just use one of those templates for this entire test. For all of these ads, just use one template. Another thing is that if you are doing seasonal offers to test what products people want to buy, then you can just insert the season right here. So in this part is where you insert the season. So for example, the Christmas bracelet that makes every outfit look more expensive. The Valentine's bracelet that makes every outfit look more expensive. The summer bracelet that makes every outfit look more expensive. The whatever. So this is just the season. The same with the necklace, the same with this. Now you can also take out the, right? And you just say Christmas bracelet that makes every outfit look more expensive. A Valentine's necklace that gets you compliments every time you wear it. Summer earrings that make any outfit look instantly more elegant. Like you can just do whatever you want with this, but you have to have a templatized offer and stick to it. All right. Don't change the offer. So that's what you got to do. Now, let's say in the case, because a lot of times this happens, is that a lot of these products, a lot of the photos, the ads that you're running to see which one does best to be able to actually scale those and get customers from them, is that a lot of the times you will have like, let's say, I don't know, you will have like three that do well and the rest just don't. But at this point, you have three that do pretty well. What are you going to do? Let's say you just have the budget for one of them. How do you actually choose which one to scale? Let's say you just have the ad budget for one. You cannot push all three, right? So then you have to make a decision based on margin. So what I do is I look at of these three, which product has the best margin. Margin just means if you sell a ring for $100 and it costs $30 to make it, then your margin is $70 or 70%. So which has the highest margin? If this product, for example, has 50% margin, this product has 10% margin, and this product has 70% margin, I'm going with this product, right? That's it. End of story. So that's how we make the decision of if we have ties in this offer test, then this is how we make the decision of how we push it. So we make a decision based on margin, not on gut or anything like that, or what which looks best for us. So then we need to do something that I call ad maxing, which is what I sell. So ad maxing is just you grab the winning ad and you start testing on concepts, right? So this will be the concepts. You could also start testing on formats if you want, but I don't test much on formats. I have to be honest with you. I test on formats for my own business, but I don't have a jewelry brand. For jewelry brands, I just test on concepts. What's the difference between concepts and formats? Well, formats for Facebook ads is reels, right? So this is kind of vertical videos, short videos. Then another format is actual videos. This is horizontal, long form videos. Then we have static ads, which are just images, right? Just an image of your item, whatever. So this is another format. Another format is carousels, which is a bunch of images in one ad. You could also make reel carousels, which is a bunch of reels in one carousel. So you have different formats there. What are different concepts? So concepts are like, let's say you have a jewelry item image, and this is just one. The formats are of one. The concepts are different concepts in one format, right? So let's say static ads, image ads. So concepts would be something like, I'll just write them down. Concepts would be something like a plain background. Then it would be unboxing. Then it would be unboxing plus in use. Then it will be just in use. Then it will be in the making. So these are different formats. Actually, I will just show you what the concept. Sorry, these are different concepts. I'll just show you what each of them look like. So let's say we go to Cartier and we look for a plain background, right? Which is the first one. So this is the first one, the plain background. So plain background would look like this. This is a plain background. Another background also, you could put it as a plain background. I'm sure there is something like that. Let's look. Yeah, I mean, this could be a plain background. This could be a plain background. Like they are just the jewelry items that you have on a plain background. Like there's nothing in the background. So this is just a plain background static ad. They work very well, by the way. They are boring, but they work very, very well. Right. So that's a plain background. Then you have the unboxing, which is just showing the package, right? Just showing the package with the item. And then you have unboxing plus in use. So the in use, just the in use itself would be something like this, right? You're just showing this. You're not showing any of that. You're just showing this part, right? The model already using your item. And then you have the combination of unboxing and in use, which is this entire image here. This entire image is all of that combination because you are unboxing it, you're using it, and then you have both of them together as one. So you can carve out from this one image, you can carve out 3 ads. You can just carve out this part, or use the entire thing, and there you have 3 ads, right? And or use the entire thing. So then you have in the making ads, which is just basically showing how the item was being made, right? So you have the kind of design part, you have the utensils, you have a prototype, you have this thing, then you have the item itself, and you're just showing the audience how this item was being made. Now, normally these go in carousels. So these go in the carousel format, not really in the static format, because you have to show all the process. You have to show the design, then you have to show the in the making, and then you have to show the final product, right? So normally these go in carousels, but these are different concepts, right, that you can run. Now, once you run these concepts, right, let's say this is the unboxing, this is in use, this is the unboxing plus in use, this is in the making, and etc., right? You have some others here. Let's say you use all the formats. And again, you can have 50 different formats, right? It doesn't matter. You use all the different formats, and then you just do the exact same thing that you did here, and you just do more. So the format that worked best, or sorry, the concept that worked best, you use that and make more of them. So let's say an unboxing image worked very well. Well, now do an unboxing reel. Now do an unboxing video. Now do an unboxing carousel. Now do a whatever, like you can do a real carousel and just do that in different formats, but just do this winning concepts in different formats, right? That's it. That's all we want to do. And the thing about the only reason why we're doing this is so that we can advertise more. The only reason why we want to advertise more is so we can get more customers. The only reason we want more customers is so that we can increase prices to have more margin. That's it. End of story. That's all we do. So I have been able to go into these several jewelry brands and just 20x, 30x their marketing by just being able to make more ads. Every time I've advertised more on Facebook, we have gotten more customers. Every time we have gotten more customers, the jewelry brand owner has either decided to keep their prices as they are or to increase them. Whenever they increase them, they get less customers. So more customers leave, but they make more money. And by the way, it is a very common opinion that every time you increase prices, you make more money. But I've seen that sometimes that's just not the case. Sometimes you increase the price so much that you not only half your business, but you destroy your business. No one buys. And because the marketing is just not serving the people that need to buy your products in that price point, right? So the prices have gone up, but the marketing has kind of stayed the same for the exact same people. And that hasn't translated very well. So if you increase products, you have to also adjust the marketing, the messaging on the marketing, the items on the marketing, the creatives, the offers, right? The targeting, right? So but essentially what we want to do is 20x marketing, right? Because it really solves 95% of the business problems. You will have more money to solve all the rest of the problems in the jewelry brand. And every time, all jewelry brands need an enormous amount of money to be able to grow their jewelry brand. And if you have more customers that you can charge more, that makes it very easy. If you want this exact same system that I use to go into jewelry brands and just 20x, 30x their marketing to be able to 2x, 3x their sales in a matter of months, weeks, then click the link in the description of this video and I'll show you click by click how I use ad maxing to just 20x, 30x the marketing of jewelry brands and 2x their sales.